Addressing the state's need for the capital, we will facilitate special financial support covering Bihar, Jharkhand. We will support development of an industrial node at Gaya at a total cost of 26,000 crore rupees.
So guys, today was the budget day, but Mr. Modi thought it is the budget for the state of Bihar and Andhra Pradesh only. Actually, he forgot about the rest of the India because Modi ji has to make his partner happy, and his partners are none other than from Bihar Mr. Nitish Kumar and from Andhra Pradesh Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. So basically it was a Godi Bachao budget. So many disappointment things came in this budget today. They completely ignore about the health sector. So being a middle class people, we all want that हमें थोड़ा tax से छुटकारा मिले. But who cares us? In budget, as expected, LTCG tax, which is long term capital gain tax, that has increased from 10 to 12.5%, and STCG, short term capital gain tax, that has also increased from 15 to 20%. And if you are doing the FNO trading, then it might be the bad news for you because STT, which is security transaction charge, that also has increased. So India was very positive on the manufacturing sector, but I think they forgot about it because they didn't talk about the PLI scheme at all. So that is why you'll see Dixon has fallen today 3.5%. So we are equity investor. We have to be optimistic in the market. So in this budget, some good thing also happened. Like government has reduced custom duty on the gold and silver. Previously it was 10% and now it dropped to the 6%. So from now we might expect that gold and silver will be bit of cheaper. And most important news, mobile and mobile phone charger will be cheaper from now because government has reduced the custom duty over there as well. But your data will be expensive as it is. So moral of the story, सस्ते में मोबाइल खरीदो and Ambani and Mittal bhai की जेब भरो. So in leather industry also, custom duty has reduced. So from now, shoe and other leather stuff will be cheaper. So I would say that the budget was not good at all. Nothing happened in the budget. It was just like casual budget. And what do you think about this budget? Please do let me know in the comment box. And if you think that my video is valuable for you, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.